Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, فَإِن كَذَّبُوكَ فَقُلْ رَبُّكُمْ ذُو رَحْمَةٍ وَاسِعَةٍ ولا يرد بأسه عن القوم المجرمين. Translation. So, if they deny you, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, then say, infinite and vast is the mercy of your Rabb, all embracing, but his might or wrath cannot be turned back from the people of evil-doing nations. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to tell the people of Quraysh who denied Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam and who refused to accept the guidance and accept the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that tell, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, to them that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy is vast and He is giving you more time period. He is giving you more chance to come back to the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But because of your denial, if Allah is not sending punishment, it does not mean that this will continue forever. It only means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy is vast, and because of His mercy, He gives more and more chance to people who reject the truth. However, if people continue to reject the truth, His ultimate wrath and His ultimate punishment has to cover the people of evil-doing nation, has to come to the people of evil-doing nations. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the vision of truth so that we can make changes in our lives now and we can try to save us from the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Oh Allah, save us from your punishment and make us among those who are successful in this life and hereafter. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalam.